Hi everyone, welcome back to Caribbean J03. My name is Margaret and today I'm preparing a delicious protein-rich chickpeas fiesta salad. It's fresh, colorful, flavorful and easy to make. If you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support and help grow my channel. Let's get started. Okay guys, I already washed the cucumber already. So I'm just gonna cut medium size dice, whatever size dice, but bite size would be perfect. This is the pan I'm using. I'm using one English cucumber. You can use the regular cucumber, but remember you'll have to remove the seeds and peel it. Well, I don't usually fully peel it. Peel like one piece here, one piece there. Like I would strip one here, one there, like every other, and then cut it if you're using a regular cucumber. You can do that also with English cucumber if you don't want to use it if you don't want to leave it this way. This is my choice. I'm gonna use these green onions. They've seen better days. I had purchased it for another recipe. So these are all the leftovers that I'm using. Again guys, if you're making this for a huge family, you will have to add another onion, duplicate everything, and double, triple, depends on how many people you're feeding. And for this one, I'm using this zesty Italian dressing. Ah, guys, I love that dressing. But you can also make your own, or you can just use a little bit of red wine vinegar, a little bit of apple cider vinegar in there. You make your own dressing if you wish to. My sister Cher would always make her own dressing. Well, make the dressing for the family. Rephrase. She has a vinaigrette dressing. Oh my goodness, guys. It is good. Okay, today I'm using these tomatoes because this is what I have. You can also use the perfect one for this actually would be the grape tomatoes or the little cherry tomatoes. Any small tomatoes would be perfect for this. Guys, I am hungry, but I wanted this salad so bad. Okay, because I wanted the salad, I decided to make a video out of it and share it with you guys. Oh Lord, guys, I don't know where all this came from, but actually because I have all the ingredients and it was so convenient for me. So while I'm cutting up my ingredients, my eggs are boiling, and I have avocados my sister brought, and they're ripe, so beautiful. OMG. But if you have a piece of roast chicken, go for it. Piece of salmon, any protein that you have, guys, this salad will be perfect with it. And you can have it all by itself, of course, Squash that one. Okay, you can dice the avocado in the salad, but I don't like it. That's not for me. So I'm gonna slice mine on the side when I'm ready to eat mine. But you have the option to do that if it worked for you. Okay, all my veggies have been chopped. Now we'll put everything together. Yeah. Chickpeas. This is 2 cans of chickpeas already rinsed. Okay, this is what I'm using. Whatever choice of dressing you wish to have, or again, you can make your own. If you don't want, you can just drizzle a little bit of red wine vinegar, a little bit of olive oil in there, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Let me get the cayenne. This have a little bit of zest in there, a little bit of kick, but I want a little bit, you know. All right. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is optional. You don't need to. Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm just shaking so it can combine all the ingredients that's in the bottle, because they will settle to the bottom. I know that might look like too much dressing, but ooh, I just like the dressing, you know. Remember, it's your choice, guys. You're the one gonna be eating it. Like, I'm the one gonna be eating this one. Yes, Chair. I wanted all that dressing. Because I know my sister will say something. I know she will be like, good grief, girl. You think you need any more dressing? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, guys, I have some cilantro. Oh, yes. I cut some of that right now. Hold on. Hold on. 1 minute, guys. Let me put that aside and get the cilantro. Okay, guys, laugh out loud. I forgot to click record when I started to chop the cilantro. Anyway, guys, I have the cilantro chopped in there already. So, get back to it. Okay, so now let's combine everything again together. OMG, guys, I wish if you guys could smell it and taste it. Ooh, yes. Guys, they say eat with your eyes first. Look at the bright colors. Look at, oh Lord. This is looking good, doesn't it? Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up for this one. Ooh, guys, this look good. This look good. Okay, a quick taste. Lord. Okay, guys, I did not add any salt because I was going to use the dressing. Now that I have tasted, I really don't need to put any salt. It's good for on my end. But if you guys taste it and you still need to add a pinch of salt, that's when you can add the salt. But I didn't add any salt in it from the get-go because I was going to use the dressing, and it also already have salt. Okay, I know for a fact that I will be repeating this recipe for my mom and for Chair. OMG. And yes, this recipe is a keeper. Okay, guys, this is done. OMG. Now I'm going to show you guys how I plated it. Lord. And remember, I told you I'm hungry, right? Really, really hungry. So I'm going to do this one very quick. Okay, this is how I plated it, guys. Oh, Lord. Doesn't that look good? Woo. And yes, I had to eat. I had to start eating. I was hungry for real. Okay, thank you all for watching and spending time with me today in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this protein-rich Chickpeas Fiesta Salad recipe, and I hope you feel inspired to give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Caribbean J03 for more homemade food and baking videos. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video. God bless and stay safe.